Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patel, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, leave the comments and also don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, I am going to discuss on
Draw
Laplace
or
transform.
sketch a graph for a periodic function. I have to show that by graphically whether the function is a periodic function, and then I have to find the Laplace transform of it to show that it is a this one. Here the function f of t for 0 to pi it is t, and for pi to 2 pi it is a 2 pi minus t, and it is a periodic function. By definition they are given periodic function of period 2 pi. Let me draw the graph first. Here let me take again along x-axis as t and along my y-axis as a f of t function. Okay, and this one I will divide it into pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, like that it goes. Okay, here the period is nothing but 2 pi. Okay, the function should repeat for 2 pi values, one here, another here, next here, like that it should repeat. Then what is that nature of that graph? What is graphically what it shows? Here first one is for 0 to pi, the function is f of t is equal to t. Okay, we know that y equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin and making an 45 degree. This one we know already this. Okay, like that it is y equal to x type. Or to draw any 2 points, any two what I can say, any two straight line, 2 points are required. If you am putting t equal to 0, this one also I'm going to get 0. Therefore 1 point here, another point at t equal to pi, f of t also equal to pi, another point is here, somewhere here. Let me take pi, and this is a pi. Joining these two, okay, that I will get this is a required straight line. Okay, next f of t equal to from pi to 2 pi, 2 pi minus t, correct? From pi to 2 pi, the function is defined to be 2 pi minus t. Okay, then to draw this point, 2 points are required again. At t equal to pi, I will take at t equal to pi, f of t will become at t equal to pi, f of t will become 2 pi minus pi, that is equal to pi. Therefore my point is what here, pi comma pi. Okay, at pi again this is the same thing. Then I want at 2 pi, t equal to 2 pi, what is my f of t then? F of t is 2 pi minus 2 pi, that is equal to 0. Therefore my point is 2 pi comma 0. Okay, these 2 points are there. This is 1 point here and another point is 2 pi. By joining these two, okay, this is the required straight line. Okay, this is one period. For next period again it is this one and this one. Okay, for 5 pi again it goes like this, and this is a sawtooth waves I'm going to get here. This is my periodic function. The period, the graph is repeating for so many periods. Using this I have to draw next what, I have to find the Laplace transform of this periodic function here. Okay, next Laplace, okay, here period capital T is nothing but 2 pi. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus st integration from 0 to t e to the power minus st into f of t dt. We know this. Okay, let me substitute the period and function f of t. 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus s into 2 pi integration from 0 to 2 pi e to the power minus st into f of t dt. Okay, here, okay, 0 to 2 pi, I will divide it into two parts as 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2s pi, and this one integration from 0 to pi plus integration from pi to 2 pi. I will divide it into two integrations. E to the power minus st into f of t for 0 to pi. F of t is defined for 0 to pi it is t, and pi to 2 pi it is a 2 pi minus t. Using that definitions, okay, that is e to the power minus st into t dt, whereas here e to the power minus st into 2 pi minus t into dt. These two integrations I have to evaluate now one by one. Okay, that is 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2s or pi s, and integration of this t into e raised to st. Bernoulli's rule I have to apply. Okay, t into integration of e to the power minus st is e to the power minus st divided by minus s, minus differential of t is 1 into e to the power minus st divided by minus s square. That is the integration of this. Already minus s is there, another integration will become minus s. If you going for next term, its differential will become 0. Therefore, stop here. This is between the limits 0 to pi. Next is this one, that is 2 pi minus t into integration of e to the power minus st is e to the power minus st divided by minus s, minus differentiation of 2 pi minus t is 0 and minus 1 into e to the power minus st divided by minus s square. Okay, this is between the limits pi to 2 pi. Okay, these two upper limit and lower limits are to substitute and simplify. 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi s for first term upper limit minus lower limit, t equal to pi, that is pi e to the power minus s pi divided by minus s, minus e to the power minus s pi divided by s square, minus the whole square will come plus. That's why this is for upper limit, minus lower limit t equal to 0 into anything will become 0, minus upper limit lower limit e to the power 0 divided by s square. This is for the first term. For second term, plus upper limit minus lower limit again. For upper limit 2 pi minus 2 pi minus 2 pi into e to the power minus s into 2 pi divided by minus s, minus of minus plus e to the power minus s into 2 pi divided by s square minus s also. This is upper limit, minus lower limit pi, that is a 2 pi minus pi because the t is replaced by pi, e to the power minus s pi whole divided by minus s, and minus of minus plus e to the power minus s pi divided by s square. All these terms I have to simplify. Okay, let me solve here. Next, as 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2 pi s into, okay, next I will simplify, just also all the brackets, pi e to the power minus s pi by minus s, or I will take minus here and s, minus e to the power minus s pi divided by s square, minus of minus plus 1 by s square, and this one 2 pi minus 2 pi 0, therefore this total term will become 0, and this is plus e to the power minus 2s pi divided by s square, and here minus 2 pi minus pi is pi into e to the power minus s pi divided by minus s, minus of minus plus I can write plus, okay, e to the power minus s pi by s square, okay, and this is not minus plus, this should be minus, minus plus minus, then minus pi by s, the e to the power minus s, and pi into e to the power minus s pi divided by s, one is plus, one other is minus. In next step I will take remaining terms are only with the s square, I will take s square common, and numerator I will write in the simplified form. Let me go for the next step here. Okay, by simplifying this I am going to write 1 by s square common, 1 minus 2 e to the power minus s minus pi s, e to the power minus pi s the whole square, and denominator like this. And you can observe here numerator is a perfect square as a square minus 2ab plus b square type. I can write it as 1 minus e to the power minus pi s the whole square, and denominator you can observe it is a square minus b square type. I can split it as a plus b and a minus b, as 1 minus e to the power minus pi s into 1 plus e to the power minus pi s. Therefore, one of the 1 minus e to the power minus pi s cancels. I will write it as 1 by s square into 1 minus e to the power minus pi s divided by 1 plus e to the power minus pi s. You can stop here, but they have told us to prove that, okay, to prove that Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by s square into tan hyperbolic, correct, tan hyperbolic pi s divided by 2 I have to prove, okay, but 1 by s square tan hyperbolic I can write it as a sine hyperbolic pi s by 2 divided by cos hyperbolic pi s by 2 I can prove, then it is easy to do. Here it is very much nearer to these things, but here e to the power minus pi s is there, that's why I will multiply and divide, okay, for multiply and divide by e to the power pi s divided by 2, e to the power pi s divided by 2 I will do, okay, what I will get 1 by s square into 1 minus e to the power minus pi s into e to the power pi s divided by 2, here also 1 plus e to the power minus pi s into e to the power pi s divided by 2. After multiplying that I am going to get it as 1 by s square into e to the power pi s by 2 into 1, e to the power pi s divided by 2 minus e to the power minus pi s into e to the power pi s by 2. That simplification I am going to get it as a minus pi s divided by 2. Same thing in the denominator, e to the power pi s divided by 2 plus e to the power minus pi s divided by 2. Okay, these two are very much similar to the sine hyperbolic. I have sine hyperbolic theta is equal to e to the power theta minus e to the power minus theta divided by 2. This 2 I can shift here, therefore I can write it as 2 times. This one I can write it as cos hyperbolic theta e to the power theta plus e to the power minus theta divided by 2. Using these definitions I can write it as 1 by s square into 2 times sine hyperbolic pi s divided by 2, and this one I can write as 2 times cos hyperbolic pi s divided by 2. Therefore 2 cancels, and my required answer, final answer, is nothing but tan 1 by s square into tan hyperbolic pi s divided by 2. This is the final answer required. Okay, please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends.